Guys, wanna come here? Come here. Fabbi and Jayden left. Let me say them left. Yeah. But me I watch one live this morning a match with Rosalie and Fabbi. And Rosalie and she did a talk. Rosalie must have counsel. Even if I counsel Rosalie, I come and talk to her. Every comment the girl say, the girl talk about comment. Say, the people say, him not be it. So Rosalie said to him, say, I don't want to hear them something, I don't want to hear them something, I don't want to hear them something. You know where they're going now. You know him not going now. Why come and say, him not be it? Yes. Come here now. And then they play the match, and then they play the match. And the girl, every minute the girl I read them, they comment them. Rosalie said, tap read the comment them, tap read the comment them, tap read the comment them. Cause you know where they're going now. You know where they're going now. Oh, him not beard. I love talk. Him love shout off her heart and be a thing. Rosalie said to her, say, you know where they're going now. Because you know you're two type of person. Man and woman now one. You should have take up a rough man. You take up a rough man. Yeah, you know. But all the way my back after me, I do this, I do this. Rosalie said, but you know where they're going now. You know where they're going now. So nobody complain. You know where they're going now. Don't have to complain about it. Yes. Yeah, look at no. Fabbi knows say Jayden no beard. So why she gonna talk with the people and say but the man no beard? Yes, I say about the man no beard. But Fabbi know so she that going at what she know to do because the members and Fabbi are lesbian. Remember Fabbi are lesbian, you know? Fabbi want to change, but look like Fabbi cannot change her gender. Fabbi want to stay in the Salamite world. So why you run out of the Salamite world and gone to Jayden? You don't think that Jayden not gonna left you? You don't think Jayden not gonna left you? Jayden want that genuine real girl when I in a them type of life there. Yeah. You must have expect any man will go and left you. Try go back in where you come from, me I tell you. Try go back and get a nice girl and settle down with. Not bother with no man because it not gonna work. It not gonna Fabbi, it not gonna work Fabbi. Better go back to and go look a nice girl, go settle up. Cause me see some picture with you or you dress like a man. I can't think me see with you. Try we go back there, so Papa. Try go back. Fabbi, me can't tell this morning. Try go back in the lesbian world. Yes, you're not gonna suit you. You all you gonna find a man. I'm gonna take up your right here now. Cause a man gonna take up your right. You have to change up your agenda. You have to act like a real woman. Cause it's like when you come up in it, the man talking and you broke yourself when the man talking, the man booed and everything. The eyelash, the ear where you do anything and they not gonna fit you. Try go back for me. Fabbi, go back in it, Fabbi. Go back in the lesbian world. No, you know, suit yourself, Fabbi. Go right back. Go right back. No worry about Jayden. Don't worry about Jayden, because you know where coming to. You know where go to. Try about to complain to nobody. Don't come and take and complain with the people where the man do and where the man do. Because the people don't know so he's a lesbian and you know where they come from. Let me tell you, stop it.